So it's been a minute since I've done a video, mainly because this is a different shop. I don't know if you guys noticed that. Yeah, you noticed it. My shop's way smaller. Anyway, this is fabrication. Built these tables. Been here a couple weeks. Getting all set up. Getting ready to build a frame table today. There's a whole bunch of steel plate and stuff outside. Here's a customer 69 Camaro. There's a chassis for the TA, which you'll see later. Some metalworking tools over here. Feed roller, English wheel, metal brake, drill press, cut table. And over there is frame machine. And then there's body. So this is my side. This over here is paint and body. That's F1's getting ready to get full chassis, which is why I need chassis table. So this is NOS rods, NOSS RODS. Decided to take an opportunity, come work for somebody else that has the same vision I do, and got a lot more help, a lot more financial backing here. So I thought it was the right move for me. Still going to be doing YouTube videos, still going to put out car content, just under a different name. Instead of Vintage Iron Fabrication, which is my shop in Stillwater, I'm now in Oklahoma City. And still have my shop, still doing stuff over there, low budget hot rod stuff. Gonna be doing some high end stuff here, some Barrett Jackson kind of stuff, some SEMA kind of stuff. So the footage should get better, we'll see. Anyway, content coming your way. Shop's finally getting set up. Got the TA front and center, motor and tranny right there. Getting some fab tables, some weld tables going. Another chassis for that truck. More tables over here. Getting better. See what we can do. Okay. I told her to bring a backpack. There would be lots of walking.
In 1953 on the River Clyde in Glasgow, which was between the late 19th century and the early 1950s.
For you guys that don't know, I've been a musician for a long time, still playing music. Here I am setting in at Calf Fry, Tumbleweeds, Stillwater, Oklahoma, playing drums for Austin Dixon. Good time. Love playing the drums. Started out on the drums. And have a new album coming out soon in the studio. Excited for that. So lots of content coming up. Y'all keep an eye out, an ear out. And yep, here we go. All right, we're back. That's Scotty. I'm Cody. On the TA. So, there's a new tube front, as you can see. No core support. Intercooler, piping's coming together, turbo's coming together. Really liking this turbo kit. Speed Engineering did a good job. I mean, for the money, you can't beat it. Inside the car, there's structure, tongue cover, floorboard, bracing, so on and so forth. I'll turn this camera around and show you some more of that. In the meantime, what do we got going on over here? Nova. So, Scotty Mac, mini tub in the Nova. Waiting on a little more tooling, shrinker stretcher. Gonna build mini tubs for that tomorrow or next day, I don't know, whenever it gets here. He's working away. Detroit Speed, mini tubs, going in real noise, baby noise. All right. All right, guys. Thank you for watching Life of Payne. Yeah, you did. Keep coming back. I have a lot more footage coming up. Don't worry. I'm super excited about the future of what's coming. You guys keep watching for episodes 18, 19, 20. There's a lot. This is, it's been a long time coming. I have not updated in a long time, so I have a lot of footage. I'm going to try and get one of these out every single week. And I know I don't have a huge fan base, and that's okay. I do this for fun. My little niece and nephew love the videos. Say yeah. Yeah. So, all right, you guys keep watching or not. I don't care. Either way. So, we're going to keep doing what we do. God bless. Y'all have a great day.